Bofuruma was also contemporary and my whole season, the whole bazandi, wherever you are coming with your spiritual flowers. A friend in an Bofuruma. My Pia Basemi Becon, Ewa Bosom so. Nipa Bebre, Apie Abba TV, so say, Omuna Efre Nana, or a spiritual father, or a spiritual say, until one say. Okwan at the end of the day, no, they are open on San Kabi. So, what problem now would you call problem? No, no, do be share. One to me, so do problem, no, I have more problems now, na, what do you, Ura? I am wanting a me Pia Basse, maybe Eddie, maybe ma Obiang 419, and I think spiritualist, and a real spiritualist. Me patron me pese, when you have train, I won't see me. Nkoma mi pese mi diu necessary say wonti no na wonfa na ya adwuma ebe boa o meet me receive calls e dey meet me receive call be say nipa 10 12 20 omunyina the same story aden osi woko nana we ogene sika oko pastor we pastor no akire no akwankire at the end of it no osi wo pese won nda oye oba fefefe na okọ mu ho a na o pese won fa wonda oye be ma soso a na wo sika o pese won jinu mi patcho sa spiritual adwuma we no se won take you time na wan pe bi papa anko wo property wo fie kura wo beton e di ahye sa adwuma we ase na hwe wontimi wonya what you say eye wo sika dia wo di ba no eno na mo di ye woza eno na mo di ye waza no what you say enti me pese wo mbie wanim wo ankasa wo hu mi face no wo na wo hu na mo face a wo be won say difference wo m anokore na wo ye wo dia anokore mpenfa na ebu mo be say ntro de ntro esan wo be twa ntro sa e koduru mere bi won nim say de wo be twa na wo be chew ba wo kita anokore ba ko antel say wo be hu bi obi antimi enye ntro na wo twa ya no kre na wo di me ma share me master ti adwuma we ma me omo kire se omo ye spiritual man skura omo be frɛ no omo kire se ai nana wo say ye adwuma se dia wo kasa no na me kire no se wo ma me twa adwuma wo ye no enye sa adwuma na me ye re la adwuma me ye adwuma na ye adwuma man nipa enye se mi twantro because of ade abibedinti nti mi patcho bie waso na wonti nkomo amedi no obi wo ho ade echi nkura de obedi want me nya obe hu malam tv so na wo frɛ malam mi pese wonbo am na wo kire wo se pe 40 million pe 50 million pe 100 million na wo ko bobusia e wo bank at the end no obe wo say swam ana wo daje no no what in fie wonu na kwala o mo sere o mo ti na mi mapia ba mi patwa pese wo say se wa ko nipa be say 5 kro ho a family wo last stop wo family me wo ba mi ho na enye yi a mi patwa obi a wo bet na tv so na o kire say wo ye busum mura me nko no ho mena me kan kire wono mena na bufuruma mena me kire osano obi a obe kan kire ose wo ba mi ho na ade wo pe no nsanka ti se endi aduro endi biom mi ti wono mi egonja ni mi ma mi egonja mi papa egonja what you say ena nka se aduro fi gonja obi a obe ka se ana tribe bi o be ka se omo wo tumi omo se gonje sase what you say mi se wo ba efie baby ana me wo fence no mo kire o se nwuro kwakura wo mpene nwuro mu wo ba efie no mo kire o se be wuro ho wo mpene nwuro because usuro wo be ka se bi o mbekun na enya no kure ye yanku nipa ye bo nipa nti wa wo hwe me no me patcho e ma wo be mu mbuse e wa ko nipa bebre ho nti nana wo so ya zan nkomo na oba be di o no mani ya bere pa na me kasa no me ye nipa tse wo e na me dada onde a e kina mene wo nyina ebenya ne ye agina na nyame enim bibia mi ji wo ho me betua na sana de nyame be ye me no wo ye me what you say ena nipa bi so wo ho sika because of sika ni bre wo humana we number no ofa wo ko no ko zanu wo ku me pacho o pese wo nko na mala na ho a penu history na wonti tienu history se na woti sen ne fie se na woti obi kira o se obehye wo che na because of me kira o se mbehye wo nche nti na wo adwane aba me se me hye wo che na no winda kura me ankasa mi kasa no me ni chehye nti me pacho aza malamfo amapia ba no na oko bobusia 5 million oko bo program because when you say at the end of the day no say nipa ba kon ba ebia nipa mienu be ba no waji akava atuasa kano yenim ni nyina nti se nde na me pese mi reveal sa secret ni nyina kire amanfo no mu se enya atade kuntan wo be hye atade wontimi na tekura wo be ka se oko ye wo no oko no winda aza no adia no ma we nyina wahu ni nyina we nyina adia wo use we to say me pese ebi aka be nya accident na me nya wo di na me born din a me be fa na hye enti enye se wo hye atade se nu enye se ene ya duro what you say but ye wo real adrua obi mu de wo ho omo betena omo di kote material tela no be ye no anyhow amu because of person hu na hu suro nti se wo ye na wo spiritual no fui woni bi de wo no eno no wo person wonji nti mpacho family number no na won frɛ me na me kire wo se de sika huma djuma etie obi be ka se na abofuma na waso ye de na wotimi ye bi waso na wonti asema mitimi ye ti se wo ye akola wa babra pa wonya sika na sika na hye wonya sika no hye wo ye government worker every month wo pay but won't mean ye hwe every month wo pay but won't mean ye hwe fa bisa won se aden fa number na umbra na me ye mpa wo ma na wo so brad ya wo bono na wo ndi no fa so obi a bo bra se wo ndi bra no fa so ba wo bo bra na wo ndi no fa so ba enye enti me be se wo a wo hwe me na wo nim se wo sa ha wo ma fa number na wo frɛ me na me kire wo se de e be ye na sa problem na so businessman woni obi na start business ba ande no ono wasana bie business ba kuma ka ho ba wo de no e ko form aden e ba no sa enye fa number na wo frɛ me na me ma wo business no em so engineer what you say wo ye nipa obi nipa mpe wasem wo ye nipa mpe wasem obi hu nkura no eyese obufu ohye no nipa to bra me ho obi a nipa bia obehu bia wonim no wo de wanya hu a no eye no ti se ebia nipa kura wa hu da na enye se enya no kura wanya hu what you say ena wesu ho aduro for girls wanya minister bia kwala wo pese won ro ne no president akwala ana girl bi wa open no na watu wa bu kosia wo pese ye nchi no adwema be patcho fa number no ana be ma so woni be ma wo ho 5 years 6 years na satan no woni sika wo be nya sika no wa dogi o na okofa bi oba foforo be patcho fa mi number no na on frame mbe kire o se dia wo be ye na dia open no sabe ka enye anu dedede no na ka se aduro de won to ko ya won se aduro ho ena nipa ya friend se nkura wo bo no nyum se won ni sika na o si aduro ni ho aduro wo ho wonni sika na obeka say aduro ni ho because sika na di aduro wonni sika obe ya ko di aduro what I say be patronti eya mo hwe obi be ba TV so obe ba social media mo hwe no face mo hwe no character what I say na mo say oya no kure ni na wo tontoro me meti ho no enye say akom na edi me na meti ho eyambo nyame hira wa na so wa ma nipa on say nyame ahira wo tumi na nyame di ama me say me mfambo amanfo ene ti na me pese obi ahun say problem bi e da wo so na wonim say wontimi solve no me patwa fa na na bo furuma number wo frame me be ka kire wo say de obeye na satu problem na solve ena malamfo ye ka say malama enye say busum fo ya from malam obi betimi be dress say no si wo ye malam na say we ye malam na say be sesen we ye na malam say sesen tiemi anokure de eye baako ntro na eye mienu anokure de eye baako enti wa wo hwe mi no fa number no na on frame na mi kire o say de wo be ye na wo so wa ko ni e ma kwen se wo nko dabia wo nko ekire fa mi number no na on frame mbe kire o say de wo be ye na wo so wada ni nipa e wa wi ase what you say wo ti ho no wa ko abuchire wo abuchire 5 years esi e woni papers won't me ya aduma na wo ko abuchire no use family number no na friend na me kire o say dia to me tie wo pese yen no na wo worry no mo papers e betumi aye no wo pese yen no suso na mo papers no director e betumi aye no enya no eno so eni say won't me mbaga na ha yentimi yen no ma wo betumi awo London UK Germany Italy na ya ye no na ya adwuma e spiritual adwuma ya friend ni ma adwuma ya se ade a wo betumi aye na wadwene entimi ntiase eba no se na sa ade we etimi ye me working with we to me kita to me 11185 to me bia ni de ade a wo ye wo ba me hira ma se wo sika busum wo ho na ye be som no na bibia ye se aware asema ye be som no bibia wo pe bia no busum wo ho enye se wo nya ba busum dem na me kire wo se me busum fo no nti wo de ye kabo no busum 11185 e wo me busum dem me na bufuruma e wo me busum dem e na ni nyina e wo no use wo ye abaya juma we ye police ni we ye soldier ni wo pese wo susu wo mbedane ni pakase dachi family number na ma protection now for protect you ho what I say ye you are na di promotion aka ho na wo promote you asa na wo so be ko wo be dane penyini one day family number na wo frame ensuro ejire and out me ye different ni pa kura waba TV so na wo hunu mom no de bia the same story obi apie ba the same story obi apie ba o si wo ye sika na ade na o si wo ye sika wan kasa meanwhile wan kasa oti ho no wonni bi wo si wo ye sika ama amanfo wo so wonni sika aden bisa ho se aden fan number na on frame na me kira o tumi se de tumi tie what you say me wo sika to me kita no three different types me ye me kuni pa ye me sika djuma bi muti wa osi na me pese won ya djuma we me pese me ntwa me sa na me fa me ntwa san enti sika duro me sika duro no ye you see omboa to say edwan na ntwe e na edi yes adjuma no wo frame ya wo instant money wo ho ene wo sikaduru ankasa sikaduru no so woni adwuma min ye mawo woni adwuma e mawo sika min ye mawo ba instant money no me be ya mawo eno eye one day adwuma wo ba na wo bank account kora fabra me ye sika no ya me na me be di wanim e di wo ko bank e ko service sika no asa na what me atu akọ bibia wo fe en na efre instant money no ena money ni to aso no so sika duro no eno eyade a wodi be kofie wo ton ade kakra 1 week na wo be ye calculation a wo be won say sika no edoso nipa be say eye wadwuma na ema osika na ekire say eye we na ema osika ka wa wo yisi wo yi adwuma ama nipa wa wo si wo yi adwuma ama nipa no ebia wo ye huhuma adwuma wo help nipa store so say there mo ma start abedun there no business grow yi but every day wo say na say wo yi adwuma ama no so original wo so nan so na wo so won dane say there wono so ti no sesi ewiase a yewe no obi mboa bi ewiase a yewo sesi no obi mboa obi open mboa na wanso wan kasa wanso ale ngina wan nan so a ontim nipa ni ho a obeboa wa mumma nipa ya laki se nyame apie ni aba ti se na sesi ama agri se mebe ma mi hu mebe hu se mebe fa mi hu akire nipa me pato me catch you na you no papa you no enye me language ba I fan say almost Ghana obi ati you no enti na me ka go enti na me catch you no me ye gonjani enti me catch you no na you no papa o pese won ti you no asia fa me number na on friend me na me fa time na me explain kire na won ti ase say dia susu ma dwumatie because obi mu ho a omo explain kire o say dia etie ansa na waba no wo be ba no ho na o kire say kofa say bra na kire say first person so wan ka kire o sa aduro enye sa what you say wo ka kire obi say kofa say bra no di aba na wa sa ka kire say kofa no san kofa say bra na woni say sa de no be ba ade na wa ka kire na wa ye homboa preko aba wo ho na woni say after we wo beto we ansa na dwuma do bewie Ghana fo mo money nda ho yanka se aduro ni ho me amiti ho no say be ranki the most spiritual leaders those that the most spiritual leaders say mo mbo me din wo number 1 a obi ni ho omo amoba TV so nyina nkraman omo kasa de komo de wo ba meyesi ama wo kono wa ji osika wiyo kura na wa ma no body gas abu aka ho wa bu gosia se wo ni sika wo ni osika no use wa bu gosia aji osika me pacho fa me number na on friend na me ni won di nkomo wo ko mala be se 5 ho 6 ho sa ni pa no na me pe obi a wo ye huhuma adwuma pen aka na sa adwuma no enye ye ma no mo na me pe what you say nti wo pe wo abuchire na wo pe papers framing wo be ko abuchire wo ni visa framing wo aware asem wo aware wo nwomba wo aware wo nwomba framing ena wo soso wo papa wo mamia wo wa omaja japade mpenifo pese o amon na japade no so wo so mpene branane mauto ni fatumi no ko hona wo ye amamre no omudi bibia eye wo papa ne mama dia ama what I say enti me pese wo hu say face we a wo hu no wo hu face no me na omo fera na bofuruma no wo hu mi face we na wa hu number me be say me be bo we no na kire say eye fake obi na pese won je osika no because ye na eye huhumu leaders nti because of nyame ahire ye nti obi musu wo ha on pese omum twiye yes ye omum pese omum gu ye ni wase say de obeka say na we no need to me number we have be say me be me use 2 numbers ni nyina so MTN me ni Vodafone me ni Tigo me ni Airtel MTN mienu na me use ba ko no ye 024 51 88982 024 51 88982 and about going to see 054 15 35 665 054 15 35 665. Wo friend number we who number we a me no and wo be chat me wo WhatsApp a wo be chat me wo WhatsApp a 024 no and they register WhatsApp. Wo so wo chat me a friend me wo video call ansa na dia obeye no wo aboje na obeye bibia friend me wo video call ansa na dia obeye no na waye mo amu aboje asem na make no friend me video call me pikin one on one na me ni wa chat wa obe hu me face se wo face no na enya me face a ensani sika ma obia na eche na obetra obe kachina ka se na na bofuma ju sika me ya no koda djuma watch as here enti me pese me fa twi no tu ho ye ko break we ba na maka English kakra de omunti twi no omuso beti English no kakra enti ye ko break no bra. And this time the English na mbeka kakra na my action na obi ahun say meka say sika tumi no me wono obi abe hunu wa life wa ha. Yo, I greet everybody who is watching me right now. This is the most powerful man you are waiting for in your life. Today you have seen him. I am the great Nana Bofuma. Bofuma means air. I work with air. In Chi, we call it Mframa. The day that I will do my work and the work will spread, that means that day there's no air. You understand me? So, those that are watching me right now, I want you to open your ears and your eyes and watch me. Then I will tell you the secret behind spiritualism. Some people are there, they are just fooling and then stealing people for nothing. Just because they want quick money and they don't know who to go to and then get that quick money. Please, I am out to help people spiritually. I'm a spiritual, like a worship stone. I'm not pastor. I'm not Malam. I am Nana. Mark my words. I am Nana. Somebody will come out and tell you that I am Nana Malam. This. You are using two names at the same time. Some people are there, they will say, I'm Nana. Oh, no, sorry, I'm Malam. You go to him. He will tell you, let's go to my shrine. Do Malams work in shrine? No. Malams don't work. They work in the mosque. They use Quran to do their miracles. And that miracles, it doesn't mean money. I don't see you are a Malam, you are doing money on TV. You are a liar. I said it. You are a pastor, you are doing money on TV. You are a liar. Since when did pastors start doing money? You say you are worshiping, you are following Jesus. Have Jesus do money before? No. Jesus only healed people. And are you Jesus? You are only worshiping Jesus. So if Jesus heals people doesn't mean that you too you can heal people. It's only Jesus who heals people. So you that open your ears and listen to my message. Don't let them confuse you, saying because you are I'm a pastor, you are a follower, so because of that, believe in me. Let me ask you one thing. Pastors, they say, oh, you go and sleep, I'm your guide. I'll guide you in spiritual. Meanwhile, your house, you have bodyguards who guide you. When you are sleeping, you have bodyguards who guide you. When you are in the car, you have bodyguards who guide you. Why is it that Jesus is not guiding you and you have bodyguards? Tell me. If not because of lies You people are liars. I said it, Nana Bofruma. Nothing can do. If you need me and you call my number, it's me that will pick. Nobody. I have boys. But because I know what I'm doing. If you come, if you are in the station, you come and you are looking for me, it's my boys that will go and pick you. But if you want to talk to me and you call me, it's me, nobody. I don't give my phone to my boys to receive calls for me. Because it's my work. I don't have any work and add to this work. The work that I'm doing is spiritual. So I don't have any work that I'll say I'm busy. So I'll give my phone to my boys to receive calls for me. When you call the 2 numbers, I have 2 numbers, they are on the screen. Any of them that you call, you will talk to me. Please, I want you to know that I want to tell you things that I do. You are in outside 5, 6 years, no papers for you. Please stop crying and take the number. Contact me. I give you 1 week. They will call you and give you papers. You are in Ghana or anywhere of the country, West Africa, and you want to leave and go to America, London, UK, Italy, Germany, and they are doing your papers. Go and come, go and come. Visa, go and come, go and come. Please take the number and contact me. I'll tell you how you do, and you go and they will give it to you. And they will never know until you go. They will say, Kesh, this guy will be him like go and come, but he has gone because of the power that I'm holding. You want money, instant money. You want money rituals. You want pocket never dry. Take my number and call me. I will show you what is called instant money and what is called money. It doesn't matter if you are in outside. If you are in outside, you are in Ghana, you are in everywhere. Take the number. I'm everywhere. I'm air. My name, through my name that you know that I'm air. Anywhere I can be there. The air that you breathe in is not what you breathe out. So pastors, if you are preaching, preach your word of God. Don't talk and something against spiritualists. 3 religions. We have tradition, Islam, and Christianity. Even Christianity came last. Traditionalists, we came first. And Muslim follow. And then you people, pastor, you follow, come out. So why? Why do you want to challenge us? And there is one pastor calling himself Sofo Bosom. You burn shrines. I waited for you. I don't hear from you. If you know that you are a man, your father slept with your mother and gave birth to you. Your mother is not if you know that your mother is not a prostitute, I'm waiting for you. Come and be my church, my shrine. I'm in Tamale. As I'm saying, I'm not in Tamale inside. But because of those that are in outside, if somebody want to come and you mention your that village name, you will say he doesn't know them. So when you guys see Tamale, though it's nothing like you pick a car and come to me. You just stand Tamale, call me, my boy will come and pick you. You understand me? And pastors, I'm telling you, if you don't take your time, we will start to mention names of pastors that we have helped. Me in particular, because I will not help a pastor and later the pastor will be sitting down there. Go and ask your colleagues, those that me I help. If I help you and I know that right now what you are doing, I'll take my spirit, then your church will come down. We are helping you people. So if we help you, you're not supposed to insult us. You understand me? It's not about pastors matter where me they sit down here, but if they pay me the way right now they don't tell the gospel of God. They only talk about spiritual people. I see something in spiritual. Are you a spiritual father? No, you are not. Me like this, I'm a spiritual leader and I'm a spiritual father as well. So I know what I'm doing. So please, what I'm doing, I'm not watching somebody and I'm doing my work. I'm doing my work really the way the work is supposed to do. If you call me and you don't, if you are outside and you call my number on WhatsApp, make sure you call me on video call and see my face. There are a lot of people using my picture, my everything on Facebook, scamming people. Me, I have Facebook, only one Facebook. You understand me? The remaining all, I can search and I will see them and I will be laughing. You understand me? So I want to tell you that whatever be your problem you are going through right now, please contact me. I will show you. There's everybody who will come on TV and he talk about some like money matter and he don't do something to show that he have the power of doing it. He have the power of doing it. People will think that it's a lie. So I want to just show you something small. Then you will see that, yeah, indeed, Nana Bofrima is a great man. So cameraman, if you are watching me, I want you to watch this thing clearly. Watch inside. Just take inside well. Watch it. This is a pot. This is a pot. I want to do some small action. Then you people will see that indeed it's true. I'm not lying. I'm not bragging. Watch me well. Watch me. You watch me. Some people will put money here because they want to hide the money. Then people, after you put their hand inside the this, you will move the money put inside. All of it is planned. They are planning with the cameraman. Give the cameraman something. Then the cameraman too will agree and set video for them. Remember, when you spend somebody money today, tomorrow in heaven you will pay it. When you spend somebody money today, tomorrow in heaven you will pay it. So cameraman, you watch me very well. Then I will show you something. You understand? It's not about math. This is what I used to. If you have this thing, what I'm holding, if I open my heart and give it to you, there's no money on this earth that you will not spend. There is no money on this earth that you will not spend. If you have this thing, you understand me? So you watch me, cameraman. Bofrima was also contemporary and host is at home and wherever you account with your spiritual power. Bofrima was also contemporary and host is at home and wherever you account with your spiritual power. Bofrima was also contemporary and host is at home and wherever you account with your spiritual power. Oi, cabaret. Mubunumu, Unchin Mfa, ya atrimony, Muji so Momban Samonka, Ejito Momokama, Manlerbamba, Madremushinyoto, Uncambasam and Binton Rama Shebe, Bumum believe, she didn't Ramon and Purification. Bofrima was also contemporary to Malhosis and Hobazandi, wherever you account with your spiritual powers. Yeah, I want to tell you that what I want, my people have bring it. It's true or it's not true. You understand me? What is this? This is Ghana City 20 cedi. What is that? This is Ghana City 20 cedi. You watch it. Watch the money. Watch the money. This is Ghana City 20 cedi. This is Ghana City 20 cedi. And this is 10 cedi. You understand me? This is 10 cedi. You watch the money. It's not about money. You understand? This is Ghana City 10 cedi. It's not about the money. It's not about the money. You understand? You have the powers. The powers. You understand? Bofrima was also contemporary that host is at Hobazandi. I want you to go to Germany. I want you to go to London, UK and bring dollars. Bring me dollars. Bring me dollars. What is this? This is euro. This is euro. What is that? Euro. What is this? Watch. This is dollars. Dollars. Watch them. What is that? This is dollars. This is dollars. Watch. I'm even confused because you have never seen dollar before. You have never seen. Look, watch the dollar. This is dollar. Watch them. What is that? Dollars. This is dollars. Watch the dollars. If I want to remove this money, I will remove and they will break us. It's from God. God give me the spirit that I should help people. It's from God. So there's nobody who can try me. God give me the spirit that I should help people. You watch. What is that? Watch. Is this not money? This is money. This is money. This is money. Watch. This is money. If I want to remove, I will remove and they will break us. Watch. This is what? This is money. Money. Everything is money. Everything is real. This is real. Look, you what? It's real. That is real money. You understand? It's not like something that is fake. That is real dollars. Real dollars. You understand me? Real dollars. That is real. Real dollars. Watch. This is it. This is the box. This is the box. Watch. What is inside? Nothing. But that is what I said. This is what I use in calling the money. This is what I use in calling the money. So it's not something like that I'm lying. This is what I use and call the money. This. If you want some, you come. If you want to also be a spiritual father like me, come and I'll teach you how to do it. Stop lying to people that you are spiritual, meanwhile you don't have power. You don't have anything. You yourself, as you are watching people on TV, have you ever seen dollars like this? This is dollars. Have you ever seen dollars like this? This is dollars. What is that? Dollars. Dollars and CDs. Money. Lajam. Kudi. You understand? This is dollars. So please take the number and call me. If you call me, I will show you how you do, and you also get this type of money. I will show you how you do, and you also get this type of money. So I thank everybody who is watching me right now, and I want to once again mention my number to you. Then you take the number and then call me. The number to call is 024 51 88 982. 024 51 88 982. And then the other number is 054 15 35 665. 054 15 35 664. I thank everybody who is watching me right now. Bye bye.